What's up, guys? This is Travis. We're here on a Friday at the EA factory. Thought I'd come out here for a minute. I don't think I'll go through the whole factory. It sounded like Chucky left us a little quiet back there in the laser area, but thought I'd come out here and show you guys what's going on, what's getting ready to be finished up on Monday. And if you can't tell, I'll start by showing you the things that you're probably waiting on. How about these Wicked 55s, Wickeder 55s, Wickeder 60s? Man, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. We're trying to dig out of these holes. We were out of cylinders for the 60s for weeks, so when you can't get supplies, it hurts. It's unpredictable, but we're rolling through them now. We had at least 60 or so made out there when the cylinders came in, so when we go to the assembly here in a minute, you'll see that several of those getting ready to roll. Look at that, man. That's some wicked ripper shanks for our box blades. Every one of those laser cut in-house, welded in-house. No pressed on tips to worry about. Heck, you can throw it in the ground and go in reverse if you want to. No worries. Hard ox right there. That's some severe extreme landscape rake time bars, best in the industry. Check it out. Some more Wicked 55s. Look at this. How about it? Wicked 55s. So good to see these babies. Have a pile of them going out Monday. Right there's those box blade ripper shanks after they get a bath. Get a nice coat of paint. Got that handle integrated. Garden bedders. That's something, go ahead and plan for spring. Right now, the garden bedders have been going out pretty quick. We have 60 inch, 50 inch, 70 inch, all of them going out pretty quick. Pine straw rakes at the moment going out quick. We have a good assortment of tillers, so everything's not behind. Right there we see that's a custom Wicked tooth bar. If you have holes in the bottom of your bucket already running laterally, like we have these across the bottom, we can make the Wicked tooth bar custom for your particular bucket. We just need you to fill out a template. Same price as shown on the website, but it'll be completely custom to your bucket. Right there, severe extreme landscape rake. That's the hitch part to go with those time bars we just looked at. John Deere quick attach Wicked 55. Got Ronnie in there cleaning up the paint booth, getting all noisy on us. So we're gonna stroll. Right there's it's one of them painted up time bars. Look at that solid. All right, let's go over here. We're gonna have pizza night at the house tonight. Usually what we do on Fridays. Might have a little snow tonight to look at. Not much, but it'll be pretty. Well, it's coming down. Some more of those time bars. Anybody's waiting on a landscape rake, like a few of those. That's a 96. It's like a 72, 84s right here. We have a 48 inch. Look at that, 48 inch brush cutter, EA brush cutter, 48 inch. Thing's quick hitch compatible. Well, obviously, because we have the Speco E-hitch hooked to it. As you can see there, the Speco E-hitch has been wildly popular. I look back on our history with this thing over the past year. We've sold well over one a day of these things. I mean, no bushings required. So all these other quick hitches out there, you have to put bushings over your lower pins. Well, this hitch is designed to hook a 7/8 inch category 1 lift arm pin. So we've got this cutter all set up with that. If you need a 48 inch cutter, I'm told we have one available right now in stock with the metal shielding instead of the chain guards on it. So that's something we can ship out quick. Also have a 60 inch pulverizer, EA Extreme pulverizer with the Hardox teeth on it. So if you do want that quick, just give us a holler. We can get those out quick for you. Check out, I shouldn't say those, we have one each of what I just talked about. So yeah, in stock is not common around here, but that just came to mind. Right there we have, that's a 60 to 125 Extreme box blade. That's a thing's a monster. Look at those 1/2 inch sides. It'll have the Hardox rippers on it mounted back behind the two massive ripper shanks on that one. That's a serious box blade. What we have here, that's a Wicked 60, 400 pound Wicked 60, Wicked-er. You know it by that Hardox channel right here. That thing has been, 60's been incredible from the start. But make it wickeder. I mean, you can see with those serrations going across, if you're cleaning up an area, you can just imagine how much better it'll work for back dragging like loose material like that. Just so effective. I mean, we come up with stuff like this because we use these attachments. We know what it's going to take for them to perform like we want them to for just numerous tasks, not just by kind of looking at the shape and design of another grapple and copying it like some of those. The homie grapple comes to mind. We saw what happened on YouTube when somebody finally used that homie grapple with a little force. First time, bent the lid backwards. Surprise, surprise. He had no warranty to cover it. Yeah, they'd sell him a new lid, but that's his fault for misusing it according to most manufacturers. But EA, what do? We'll go out and string up our L6060 with the Wicked 55 lid and do some curls. That's our response. So we have these welders packed in here, guys, but look what's going on. It's another Wicked 60. Look there, another Wicked 60. This is just, they're everywhere. So you guys know we are working very hard. That new factory, they got about half of the framing up already. They just started like early this week, so that's going up quick. I see Ted's hoping to be in by April or so. We can add more welders and just I mean, sky's the limit when this stuff ships quick. Speaking of quick, the Wicked tooth bar, the oldest order I saw, I looked earlier this week, was 3 weeks old. One guy, somehow his worked out and was gone out of here within like a week. So it's kind of funny with the batches on those tooth bars. Some orders might be able to go out a little faster than others, but man, it's awesome when you hear or see that the oldest tooth bar order is about 3 weeks old. That's just That's pretty sweet to get the best tooth bar ever made that quick. So it's a huge value. That strengthens your bucket and just adds so much to its ability. Well, I've rambled enough here. I'll try to get out here in the factory more often for you guys, show you what's going on. In the meantime, keep tuned in to the Everything Attachments channel on Facebook. You guys all over Facebook and the groups are just, you're always golden to us, and we appreciate everything you do for us. We'll keep doing what we do, and thank you for the support. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. We'll see you soon.